Hi everybody, Wendy here, Lolly Dolly Crafts. So today I'm going to have a little play with the hairband kits which I got from Beebeecrafts. Okay, I'll show it that way as well because I might turn the camera around. Right, okay, so there's lots of hairbands that come in this kit. There's feathers, there's ribbons. I have got a video on my channel of when I first received it. Again, it was a couple of months ago, but like I said, because my finger, excuse the croaky voice, I'm still getting over the throat infection, but we're getting there. So what I'm going to play with today, I'm going to use the red headband and the pink headband, some red ribbon that came with the kit, some red bows that came with the kit, some bling. These are like bits that go on the back that if you, I don't know, make a bow or something. Excuse me. And I'm also going to do a pink headband, and I'm going to make a bow with the ribbons from the kit. And let me just zoom you in a bit more so you can see what I'm doing. Straighten you up, yeah. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. Move my table. I'm going to wrap the pink headband, although you don't have to wrap them, with some pink ribbon. This is from my own stash. There's these little rosettes from the kit, so I'm going to use those as well. So right, let's have a play. So I'm going to start with the red headband first, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off. I'll cut the end. I really need to clean these scissors because they're the Tim Holtz one, but I got some glue when I was foam, so they're a bit stiff, so I need to sort them up. Anyway, so let's cut that sellotape bit off again. Let's do it at a bit of an angle. There we go. Okay, so what I'm going to do is start off here and wrap this ribbon around the headband. Okay, and I'm going to hot glue it. Okay. I've got my hot glue gun here. I can tidy that up at the end. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just use this dotty ribbon, okay, and wrap it round the headband. Okay. And make it nice and tight. Like I said, you can leave it in like plain red if you want to, but I think it's more comfortable if you cover them, and they look nicer, and this dotty ribbon is lovely. So okay, so I'm back and I've covered my headband, my dotty headband. I think it looks really cute. Okay, you can do some, like, you can finish up with some like red felt on there just to tidy it up. Okay, so what I'm going to do next, I've got some bling here that comes with the kit. I've also got some from my stash. Not sure whether I'm going to use that yet, but what I'm going to do, because I want to put these two bows on. Okay, so I'm literally just, I've no idea. So I'm going to stick these two little bows on each side, so when the headband's on, it will be on each side of the head. But what I want to do is I want this ribbon to sort of coordinate with the, this is the ribbon that I wrapped around, but I want the bows to coordinate. So, so I'm just popping off these little pearls here that have been put on. I will put them back on, but just for now. So, because what I want to do is I'm going to take some of this red dotty, and when I put these on, I'm just showing you quickly what I'm going to do, and I'm going to wrap that I'm going to fasten it like that to the headband. But before I do that, what I'm going to do is I want to make this bow a bit bigger using this dotty. So what I'm going to do, so I'm going to make the bow bigger by adding another layer to it like that, so it then matches. Okay, so I want enough to, let's just make sure I get the right length. So both like so, probably that. Yeah, so I will cut that amount off. Okay, and then I want a piece that I can wrap round. So I want 2 of those for both of the ribbons. Both, okay, and then another one of these. There we go. Right, so what I'm going to do is glue these 2 together evenly so the loops are even. Okay, like so. And then once they're together, like that, I'm going to glue them and then scrunch them up in the middle. So let me just make sure that these are pretty level. Okay, and then I'm going to just pop a little bit of glue. I don't want to put too much because I don't want to bulk that out too much. Okay, so I want to sort of measure. Let's just put some. Glue down this. Just fold it over. Right. So I'm going to glue the bow on to the headband, like so. And then you use this piece here to wrap around. So it goes like so. Okay. So just tidies it up and makes it look neater. And then I'm going to re-add the pearls onto the bow. Just taking the old glue off so it doesn't stick on up too high. So that's that side. Now you can leave it like that, or if you wanted to you could do the same this side, which is what I'm going to do.